Smiles. Come to mommy. No, you done talking now?
Jackson.
You can talk to
Jackson.
Say hi. Say hi, mommies. Say
Jackson.
hi, mommies.
Jackson. Jackson.
Oh, who's that? Is it Mother Kia?
That's a good one for posterity.
We don't need to get him.